In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic serial numbers in Notion. This is a really handy trick if you're working with databases like task lists, inventories, or project trackers, and you want each row to have its own unique automatically generated number. Instead of typing numbers manually and worrying about keeping them in order, we'll let Notion handle it for us. First, open the Notion database where you want to add your serial numbers. This can be any type of database view, a table, board, list, gallery, or timeline. In most cases, it's easiest to see what's going on if you switch to a table view, but the feature will work across all views of the same database. At the top of your database, you'll see your existing columns, which Notion calls properties. Look to the far right of those column headers for the option to add a new one. You should see a button or text that says Add Property. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Add Property, Notion will create a new column and open a small panel where you can define what kind of property this will be. This is where we choose the type that will generate our automatic serial numbers. In the Property Type dropdown, scroll through the different options until you find one labeled ID. This is the key to getting automatic numbering. Click on ID to select it. Once you choose the ID property, Notion will automatically assign a unique value to each row in your database. You'll see a new column appear, usually on the far right, and each existing item will instantly get its own ID number. Any new item you add in the future will also receive an ID automatically, so you never have to type these numbers yourself. You can also rename this property to something more meaningful, like serial number, item number, or ticket ID. Just click on the property name at the top of the column, type your preferred label, and press enter. From now on, as you add more rows to your database, Notion will keep generating these serial numbers for you, making it much easier to reference, sort, or track your entries in a consistent way. And that's all you need to do to add automatic serial numbers in Notion using the ID property.